Welcome back everyone to the Collector Channel. Today I'll be opening up some packs of baseball cards. These are 2019 packs. I have a variety of them. Opening day, some Topps packs, Stadium Club, and a ton more. So let's get started and open up our first pack. We have a 2019 Bowman Pack. Clayton Kershaw, cool card. I'll set that aside. Oh, nice. That's a cool looking card. Set that one aside. Alright, let's open up this pack next. So if there's anything I'm missing, any cool cards or anything you think I should be putting aside, let me know in the comment section below. Nolan Ryan, that's a cool card. I like how they put some of the older stars in there also. Alright, let's open up a Topps Heritage next. I like the design on these packs. All the bright colors, the red, the yellow, the white. And I like how they resemble the 1970 Topps. Oh, awesome. We got a jersey card. That's cool. We'll set that one aside. Let's kind of organize our stack of cards again. Let's open up a Topps Jumbo. So this is from the box that I opened. I did a video opening up a Topps box of these and didn't open up all the packs, so these are the remainder packs. I did get the autograph card and the memorabilia card, so on average I should get one more, and I think I got it in this one already. Cool. Jose Ramirez. This has a lot of rookies in it. So I wonder what memorabilia card we got. The Milwaukee Brewers Stadium, Miller Park, that's cool. David Ortiz. Chris Bryant, that's an awesome card. I like that. I like the design on it. That's really cool. I'm gonna put that aside. Oh, and here we go. Awesome. This is a cool card. I like that. Check out the back. And we'll for sure set that card aside. Cool. Alright, let's set those aside. Let's open this opening day pack here. So since I got that patch card from these, I don't know if I'll open up all these, we'll see, but let's go through these and just see who we get. And that's on average. I haven't seen them put extra autograph cards in those, but that's not all I'm after. That's cool. Ernie Banks. I really appreciate the veteran players in there. Ooh, cool. Albert Pujols. That's awesome. That is cool. Wow. Really awesome. Opening day relic. That is super cool. I know I keep saying that because it's like, wow. I'm getting some really awesome cards right away here. Next we'll open up the Stadium Club pack. Oh, we have Honus Wagner on the back. Hopefully it's not a Honus Wagner autograph because he hasn't been around for ages. Okay, that is awesome. Honus Wagner, Pittsburgh Pirates. I like the clarity of that image. When you look at actual cards from his playing days, you don't get a full look at what he actually looked like. So this really, I mean, this tells it all. This is really cool. Honus Wagner. 5'11", 200 pounds. Born 2/24/74, 1874. Definitely set that card aside. We'll open up this opening day pack next. Christian Stewart. Another Ernie Banks. How about Topps Heritage again? Make sure there's nothing on the back there. Card felt a little bit thick on top, but I guess now I'm feeling these, they all feel that way kind of. Nice, Bryce Harper. That is cool. So this resembles, what is it, the 61 or 62 Topps? I haven't been collecting 60s cards lately, so it's been a while, but I definitely know there's like a Mantle and I think a Hank Aaron in the original set. This is the Sporting News on top, so that's cool. I'll put that aside. I like that with the Chris Bryant next to each other. And this is another opening day pack. Reggie Jackson. As you've probably noticed, I've been saying a lot of the names of the older players, and that's because I collect a lot of vintage. So another opening day here. Albert Pujols. Put that with the other card that I got of him. No way, do we get... Okay, well, we got another Ernie Banks, which is cool, but behind that, who do we get? JD Martinez, awesome. That is so cool. So a jersey card. JD Martinez. Opening day relic, we'll put that aside. And we have this Topps pack, Series 1. So here's the difference between the jumbo and the regular. The security card back there, take that out. Pittsburgh Stadium, PNC Park. The Yankees win. That's a cool looking card. So a lot of cool cards that we're getting out of here. All right, so yeah, let's check out some of the cards I got so far. So JD Martinez, and we got these two cards. Set those aside. This is just a cool looking card. I like the design and look of that one. And a few star cards. I just like the design. We got a lot of stars. And then this one can go with the jersey patch cards. But yeah, we got some star cards, and I didn't pull all the stars, just kind of the ones that caught my attention that I liked. Honus Wagner is really cool. That's one of my favorites. Nolan Ryan, another awesome card. Cool. Well, these ones I'm going to save for another video. I'll put those aside since we already got the patch card out of there. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.